Here's another question, and it's from verse 14. The question is, Lot, why did your sons laugh off your warning? Remember, the angels say, hey, do you know anybody here? Take your sons-in-law, your daughters, your wife, and get out. Take anyone you know and get out of here. And in verse 14, it says, Lot went out and spoke to his sons-in-law who had married his daughters. And they said, get up, get out of this place, for the Lord will destroy this city. But notice this, but to his sons-in-law, he seemed to be joking. Notice that Lot had to go out to warn them. What does this mean? Are his sons-in-law, or the men who are engaged to be married to his daughters, are they a part of the crowd that's banging on the door? Let us in and give us those men. That's what it sounds like. And the text has already said that all the men of the city were caught up in this. What kind of testimony is this, that they laugh off your urgent plea to get out of here, to flee this place? Listen, we know that these men, they're responsible for their own actions. Lot can't make them do anything. Can't make them do anything, right? We can't expect them to do everything that Lot says. But shouldn't we expect them to take his warning at least more seriously than this? He's just joking. Does it look like he's joking? Does this situation right now seem like some sort of a joke? What just happened here at this door? Here's a very sad truth we see in Lot's life. Those who knew Lot best seemed to know God least. His sons-in-law, his family.